Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the cartilages, and this is going to be of the larynx. So let's get started. So first one will be, we are going to look at the unpaired cartilages. So what are the unpaired cartilages? So this is going to be the thyroid. Next comes the cricoid and the epiglottis. So they are nothing but the unpaired cartilages. Next we are going to see what is the paired cartilages. Under paired cartilages, it includes the arytenoid. Next there is a corniculate as well as the cuneiform. Next we are moving on to the hyaline cartilages. So under hyaline, what do we have? Under hyaline, it includes, there is a thyroid, then comes the cricoid and also the arytenoids. There is also arytenoids. Next is the fibroelastic. There is fibroelastic. Under fibroelastic, it includes epiglottis and the corniculate as well as the cuneiform. So this was about the cartilages of the larynx. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.